Hello, international community. Hello, United States of America. Hello, all the Western countries, United Kingdom, and also all those countries who's respecting the system, whom respecting the values, who's respecting the democracy, whom respecting human rights. All those countries who standing with the humanity. We are Uyghur people in Istanbul, who live in Istanbul, doing the business, or some student. We came to Chinese embassy in Istanbul to demand from the Chinese government stop the genocide in the 21st century. Close the camp in the 21st century. We came here to demand Chinese government to release our family members. We came here to demand to release our fathers. We came here to demand release our mothers. We came here to demand release our brothers. We came here to demand to release our sisters. We came here to demand release children. More importantly, we came here to demand Chinese government release the humanity. I'm associate professor, one of the university in Turkey. I'm supposed to be focused on my academia, but unfortunately the injustice or the genocide is happening in Turkestan. Asked me to come here to stand with my people. I'm supposed to do the research. I'm supposed to teach. I'm supposed to be supervised. But unfortunately, all those things, of course, I'm doing that as well. But more importantly, I came here in front of the Chinese embassy to stand with my people. We ask the Chinese government to stop the brutal oppression in the 21st century. Look at people here. Okay, how many? Hundreds of people missing their family members. Fascist China! Fascist China! Stop genocide! Stop genocide! Fascist China! Fascist China! Stop genocide! Stop genocide! Fascist China! Fascist China! Release the camp! Release the camp! Close the camp! Close the camp! Fascist China! Fascist China! Close the camp! Close the camp! Release our family members! Yes, we are here to come here. You can see the hundreds of the people. We come here to demand the Chinese government to release our family members. Do you know that what era we are living? We are living in the 21st century. We are living in like communication is very advanced and clear. But unfortunately, we cannot speak to our fathers. We cannot speak to our mothers. In the 21st century. That's why we came here, ask the Chinese government, stop the genocide in the 21st century. And also, more importantly, we want to thank those countries who stand with the humanity, especially United States of America. Thank you, Canada. Thank you, USA. Thank you, Netherlands. So all those countries took the initiative to declare that what's happening in our land in East Turkestan as a genocide. So we want to thank USA, we want to thank Canada, we want to thank Netherlands. So what we want from international community, all those countries like United Kingdom, like Germany, like France, and also all other countries who's respecting human rights, respecting the democracy, democracy the system, we want to ask your help. Maybe one country not strong enough to say no to China, but we can all come together, we can say no to China. We can ask the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. That's why we want to call international community, all those countries whom standing with their values, whom respecting the system. We want to ask your support and also to save the people. One country maybe is not strong enough to say no to China, but we can come together, we can say no to China. So we want to call international community stand with the Uyghur, support the Uyghur, and also to save the Uyghur from the genocide in the 21st century. I always declare that actually I'm advocating this Uyghur crisis or Uyghur genocide last few years. I declare that the issue is more than religion. The issue is more than the culture. The issue is more than the religion. The issue is more than the language. The issue is basic crime against humanity. Basic crime against the democracy. Basic crime against the system. It is basic crime against human rights. And also it is, crime against democracy as well. So we want to call international community, especially those countries who's respecting the system, who's respecting the democracy, who's respecting their human rights. Please support the Uyghur people, save the Uyghur people, save the Uyghur people from the brutal oppression of the Chinese government, as well as the genocide in the 21st century. Thank you. Now we want to ask also United Kingdom to declare this one as a genocide. Look at here, how many family members keep asking from the Chinese government to stop the genocide. Please, UK Parliament, please help us, please to support Uyghur people, please declare it as genocide in the 21st century. Thank you, USA! Thank you, USA!
Thank you, USA!
Thank you, America!
Thank you, America!
Thank you, Canada!
Thank you, Canada!
Thank you, Canada!
Thank you, Canada!
Thank you, Netherlands! Thank you, Netherlands! Thank you, Holland! Thank you, Holland! So we want, some other countries also to follow their footsteps of those countries. Ask the Chinese government to stop their brutal oppression as well as to stop the genocide in the 21st century. So we want to thank to you, and also in our religion saying that saving a life of a person equal to saving their humanity. Therefore, please support the Uyghur people, save the Uyghur people, ask the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. Thank you. Please spread my video so that more international communities are aware what's happening in East Turkestan. Thank you.